How to lock text messages in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option general. Now click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back to your screen, and if you want to lock your text messages, then simply press and hold on your messages app and then click on require face ID. Now again click on require face ID and then enter your face, and your text messages will be locked. And if you want to unlock this, then simply enter your face ID, and here you can unlock your messages app. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.